This is the easiest side hustle. You can start with $0. Seriously, you don't need any special skills or a massive startup budget. You're literally leaving money on the table if you're not doing this. And the best part is that AI does all the heavy lifting for you. You don't need to be a business genius, and you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or even customer service. I'm going to break this down step by step so you can start making money this week. And this comes from a guy, me, who's made thousands per day selling premium digital products. Let me ask you a question. Imagine you had a magic book that people could buy over and over again without you ever needing to restock it. So there's no shipping, no inventory, no hassle. Would you sell it? Of course you would. That's the beauty of a digital product. With a digital product, once it's created, you can sell it to an unlimited number of people. There's no physical product to keep track of, no packaging, no trips to the post office, just one digital file that you can sell 100 times, 1,000 times, or even 10,000 times. And thanks to AI, you don't have to create the product from scratch yourself. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, but what exactly would I sell? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The first step is picking your digital product. Now, here's the truth. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know more than the person who's buying from you. That's it. The best person to learn from isn't necessarily a 10 out of 10 expert, but rather someone around a 5 out of 10 if you're at a 2 out of 10 level. The reason is simple. The 10 out of 10 expert is so far ahead of you that their knowledge and experience might be hard to relate to or even to apply at your current stage. A 5 out of 10 is closer to where you are, so their advice and strategies are more practical, relatable, and achievable. They've recently been where you are right now, so they can offer insights that are more in line with your current skill level and help you to improve step by step. Think about something simple that you know how to do. Maybe you figured out the best way to plan a road trip. Maybe you know how to make a budget that saves people tons of money. Or maybe you've developed a system for organizing your life that other people would find helpful. Well, guess what? There are thousands of people out there who would gladly pay to learn that from you. Here are some simple digital product ideas that you can create in under an hour using artificial intelligence. Ebooks, AI can write an entire guide for you in just minutes. Notion templates, people love these and they're super easy to make. Canva templates, AI can generate design suggestions that you can customize to create beautiful templates. And then there's things like planners, checklists, or even guides. These are simple but powerful products that people find extremely helpful. You can even make something more specific, like a simple checklist to organize a weekly routine or a guide to mastering time management. Don't overthink it. If you're stuck, just ask yourself, what's one small thing I could teach a friend in 5 minutes? That is your product. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Step number 2. Create your digital product with AI. Here's where AI comes in to do all the heavy lifting. I personally use AI every single day to help me create content and even come up with ideas, and it saves me hours of research or writing. Let's say you want to sell an ebook. You don't have to write a single word yourself. Just go to ChatGPT, type in your topic, and ask it to write a guide for beginners on that subject. Whether it's budgeting, planning a vacation, or even starting a new habit, AI can create the content for you quickly and effortlessly. That being said, I still suggest you don't just copy-paste what the AI gave you, but make it your own instead. If you want to make templates instead, you can use tools like Canva. AI can help you design stunning templates in no time. All you need to do is to tweak them a bit to match your brand or personal style. This is not rocket science. It's just knowing what to ask AI to do it for you. And the best part is that AI helps you to stay productive and efficient, so you're not wasting any time or effort. You're leveraging technology to create value that other people will pay for. Now, let's talk about where to sell your digital product without giving a chunk of your earnings to third-party platforms. Most people will tell you to sell your product on places like Etsy or even Amazon. And yeah, those platforms can work. The big advantage of doing so is that you'll benefit from the platform's active customer base. But here's the issue. They take a percentage of your sales, and you're competing with thousands, if not millions, of other sellers. So it's not exactly a great environment for standing out and making steady sales and passive income. I'm going to show you a smarter, more profitable way to sell your digital products by building your own audience. I know what you're thinking, but I don't want to be a full-time YouTuber or spend hours making TikToks or do ridiculous dances. You don't have to. You don't need to be a content creator full-time. What you need to do is to create simple, short content that helps you attract the right people. For example, if you're selling a budgeting template, you could create a short video like 3 simple money hacks that saved me $500 this month. The biggest mistake people make when trying to save money, or how I saved $10,000 on a low salary. In every video, you can include a call to action. Something like, by the way, if you want my exact budgeting template, the link is in my bio. And boom, you're creating sales on autopilot. Your audience grows, your product is in front of people, and your sales keep rolling in, all while you're not even actively working. Now, here's the thing. Most people don't buy the first time they see your product. And actually, it's completely normal. People need time to trust you before they buy from you. But here is where the money is. Email. Collecting emails is one of the most powerful tools you can use to build a sustainable income. Why? Because your email list converts 40 times better than social media. Here's the simple email system you can use to automate your sales process. First, offer something small for free, like a checklist, a free video, a free training, or a mini guide. In exchange of that freebie, people give you their email address. Once you have their email, you want to set up an automated system to send them a few helpful messages over the next few days or weeks. Build trust and value with them, and then offer your paid product. You're not actively chasing sales. Your email system is working for you in the background, automatically following up and converting those leads into paying customers. It's like having your own digital sales assistant working 24/7 while you sleep or work on other things. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description, and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Once you start seeing some income, it's time to scale up. Here's how. Create more digital products. If one product is selling well, why not create something similar? You can create an entire suite of products around the same topic, and your existing customers are more likely to buy again. Then you can collaborate with others, partner with other creators in your niche to cross-promote each other's products. You can also post more content, because the more content you post, the more people will actually discover your product. It doesn't have to be difficult. Just batch your content creation. Spend 1 or 2 days a month recording several short videos and schedule them to be posted throughout the month. This will save you time and keep your content running while your email system is working in the background. And before you know it, you'll be making $1,000 a week, then $2,000, and eventually scaling up to $4,000 or more. You've built a system that runs on autopilot, and all you have to do is to keep producing new content and products. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start making money online, this is it. Have no more excuses. AI makes it easier than ever. You don't even need a massive budget to start. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to pick a simple product, use AI to create it, and get in front of the right audience. And the best part is that you can start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because that moment is now. If you start now, in 6 months, you could be a lot closer to making a full-time income. Remember, all the theory in the world is pointless if you don't apply what you learn. Now, with that being said, I will see you on the other side.